Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send CRO token to Cronos network and MetaMask. And we will be using crypto.com exchange. If you don't have an account on crypto.com, I will leave a link below in the description. As far as I'm aware, crypto.com exchange is right now the only exchange where you can send the CRO token to Cronos network. But this might change in the future. So anyways, I'm logged in, I'm inside wallets and my spot wallet, and I have credited some CRO tokens right here. And I will go to withdraw. And by the way, if you don't have the Cronos network set up inside your MetaMask, I have another tutorial on how to set it up. Now you can see withdraw CRO, and I will click on external wallet address and select right here. And now we can see wallet address. So first off, we will have to click on add withdrawal address. And this step is very important. You can see coin CRO and then network CRO. So I will click on CRO and we will have to change this to Cronos because we want it to go to the Cronos network. And then you can see address, enter address. So right now I will go to my MetaMask extension. And I'm inside Cronos mainnet on my MetaMask account. Doesn't really matter, but you can see I have it added at least. And then I will copy to clipboard my address right here. And I will paste it in on crypto.com exchange. I won't type in any label. And then I will have to enter some security details. So I will go ahead and do that. I won't show them to you. And then I will click on save address. And then I will show you the next steps. All right, so now you can see success. And by the way, you will have to enter a label. You can just name it whatever you want, just so you can remember what kind of address that you added. So I just typed in MetaMask as a label. You do whatever you want. So now you can see withdraw CRO and then wallet address. So I will click right here and then you can see MetaMask, Cronos and my MetaMask wallet address. And then you can select an amount. I will click on withdraw all and you can see total balance, available balance. There's a small transaction fee that I will have to pay, but I'm okay with that. So I will click on review withdrawal. Now you can see, please review the information below. And you can see the coin is CRO, the amount, my wallet address, the network Cronos, and make sure it's on Cronos if you actually want to withdraw to Cronos, because there are probably several other networks to choose from, the fee, and then I will have to enter some security details, and then I will click on withdrawal, and then I will show you what it looks like inside my MetaMask wallet. If you want to find your withdrawal transaction, you can go to transaction history. And then you can look for withdrawals and then you will be able to see your withdrawal right here, and the status is processing right now. So we'll see if I can, there's no other information. All right, so I will have to wait for a couple of more minutes probably. So now you can see my CRO has been deposited to my MetaMask wallet. It took about 2 to 3 minutes. So it was a very quick withdrawal. So that's how you can send the CRO tokens to Cronos mainnet on MetaMask wallet. So hopefully you found value in this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials. Else, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.